Obviously, it's two big fixtures for us, last two before we looked at the camp in the summer. Two big games against some strong sides that are also going to the tournament, so it'll be good for us in training this week. We'll be looking at how we're getting back to what we do, working hard on shape and how we're going to be looking in the summer. So it's two good fixtures against two tough sides that will also be looking to do the same for their trip in the summer.
Still a great buzz. We're all good friends here and everyone likes meeting up. Obviously missing key players and experienced players as well, but everything stays the same, and we're just happy to be here. To be fair, we haven't really talked much about the games and what many points we need or anything like that. This camp is obviously these friendlies first and get as many wins as we can out of these two games. But it's going to be different. It's, a lot of people are going to be watching, a lot of pressure on us. We're a small nation, but we need to enjoy it. And I think our aim is to get out of the group.
Obviously, the manager said what he has, and it would be a very proud moment for myself and my family in whichever game, whether it be at Cardiff or away in the Ukraine. For myself, I'll look forward to it. From Vauxhall to the backroom staff, everyone is really together. I've never seen a team spirit like it. Even though I'm only young myself, I've been in a lot of changing rooms, and the camaraderie and that between the boys and the staff it's brilliant. A lot of the boys had obviously come through the different ages together, who are now the senior boys. I think they've been brilliant with the younger lads. Just everyone gets on, which is obviously that helps things, doesn't it?
It's been an incredible year from Welsh point of view. I figured prominently in our campaign, so it's been a real privilege and been really something that means a lot to me. To qualify was one thing. I think you saw the way everyone reacted, how much it meant to the nation, and we all can't wait now to get out to France and show the world what we can do. These two games, I think, two great games that'll hold us in good stead. The preparations have obviously already started previously for the tournament. We're getting closer now, and we all can't wait, to get as many games as we can in between now and kick off.